In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in OneNote for Windows 10. This is a very helpful feature, especially if you're working with others or simply want to keep track of updates made to your notes over time. To begin, open the Microsoft OneNote app on your computer and access the notebook you want to work with. It's important to make sure you're inside the correct notebook before moving forward, so take a moment to confirm everything is loaded properly and ready to go. Once your notebook is open, direct your attention to the top section of the screen where the main menu tabs are located. Look for the tab labeled History. This is where OneNote organizes tools related to tracking edits and reviewing past activity. Click on the History tab to display the available options. After opening the History menu, find and select the option called Recent Edits. This feature allows you to filter and view changes based on specific timeframes. When you click on it, a list of time-based filters will appear, such as edits made today, yesterday, or within the last 7 days. These options help you quickly narrow down the changes you want to review without having to search manually. Choose the time range that best fits what you're looking for. As soon as you make a selection, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This panel acts as a change log, showing a list of pages along with the dates they were last modified. It gives you a clear and organized view of what has been updated and when those updates occurred. You can click on any of the listed pages in this panel to jump directly to that content. This makes it easy to review edits, verify updates, or continue working where changes were made. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay organized and informed. Using this feature regularly can help you manage your notes more effectively, especially in shared notebooks where multiple people are making edits. It also helps you keep track of your own progress and ensures that nothing important gets overlooked. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to track changes in OneNote for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.